Well, everyone, it is official. It's finally over, and Donald Trump was elected the 47th president of the United States. And crypto loved this. BTC surged to a new all-time high. Yes, a new all-time high overnight. ADA on the pump, alts across the space just exploding with excitement about what can be. And there was an even bigger win that I don't think people realized in this election. And I want to talk about the future of Cardano and ADA and Bitcoin, because this plays a very big impact in that. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So first of all, BTC, huge candle, guys, exploding all the way up to the lower 75K range. That was quite the surge last night because there was so much excitement. If you guys were watching it all, if you were watching the charts, watching the reporting by the many channels out there, we saw as the night went on, as Donald Trump won more and more states, as he was polling well, even in states that he wasn't winning, it became very clear what was coming. And that was a big Donald Trump win in this election, right? So we obviously saw BTC surge. We saw ADA move back towards its 100-day moving average. We actually breached it. We came back down. That's not surprising at all. When you have these rip-roaring runs, you're going to face a little bit of correction. And what I need to say is that this is just getting started, all right? So you need to be patient. We need to let things play out. But with this win that took place, and I guess was official this morning, this is officially when they called it, there was an even bigger win that took place. We obviously know that from at least what he's discussed at the Bitcoin conference and vocally elsewhere, he has said that he's very pro-embrace of Bitcoin. He wants to create Bitcoin reserves. He wants to really embrace innovation and development here at home. And he wants to do this without this major scope of regulation. He wants to fire Gary Gensler. I mean, there's all these things that are very positive for the crypto industry. And it's always been the question now of will he and can he? And I have to say, he is a person that does follow through with what he says he's going to do. And the biggest hurdle he has always faced is pushback from those who have opposing views. And that's fine, right? I think balance is an important thing. I think checks and balances are important. And I will say that this path to a US becoming a crypto powerhouse like he wants, like we want, it became even easier because not just the presidency was won. The Senate flipped. It gained 3 seats by Republicans, and there's still more coming in. We'll wait and see what happens here. The House, heavily on the Republican side, still a bunch of ones coming in, but Republicans are leading in a lot of these locations. Governor, I mean, basically the big red wave hit the US. People are tired of what we've dealt with the last 4 years. I'm sure we can all kind of resonate with that, with how bad the economy has been, how expensive stuff has gotten, and people want change. And the great news is that the crypto industry wanted change. They want embrace. They don't want regulation. And now, because of this path getting easier, it is now easier for this crypto embrace to actually accelerate. This was the biggest concern that we've talked about here on the channel, is that, you know, if Kamala Harris wins, would there be this big pushback? Would things slow down? If Donald Trump wins, will this accelerate? Well, we now see from the results coming in that this path forward for the crypto market and for crypto embrace and development and innovation, it will in fact accelerate. And this is huge for Cardano. And the reason why I say that is when we talk about a chain that is actually building big things for the future, that is actually talking about and pushing towards major blockchain and crypto embrace and doing it in the peer-reviewed, well-thought-out way with obviously perfect security, decentralization, 100% uptime, all those things, that's where Cardano has a huge opportunity to win now. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And we still don't know what's coming down the line, when these things will take place, if there will be a Bitcoin reserve that goes in on day one. But what you need to know is that this was a very pro crypto move. All right. So obviously, I'm not getting political here on the channel or anything like that. But if you wanted a win for crypto, this morning, last night, was a huge win for crypto. That's why you're seeing the excitement. And frankly, the ball is just starting to roll. We're just starting to see capital re-enter the space. And now the excitement surrounding the crypto market can really flourish like we've seen in bull markets past, like we've seen in alt seasons past. The exciting times are now ahead of us. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Is this huge for the future of Cardano? Is this huge for the future of crypto? But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.